So as we begin our journey of product announcements here this morning, I'd like to kind of start with where the company started and remind myself and our team about our original big idea, putting all your benefits in one place. One of our first customers was Sanders Brothers Construction. I'm really proud to announce that 16 years later, Sanders Brothers is still a great customer, still using the Benefitfocus platform. They're a paving company in South Carolina. And what we built for Sanders Brothers was our early enrollment application. Sanders Brothers had one health insurance company and one payroll vendor. Sometimes we long for the simplicity of those days. This is what the application looked like back then. One nice database, probably about 4 tables in there, and one enrollment application across the top. And it was a fun beginning. Now, obviously, when more customers came and more insurance carriers came, we began to see a whole host of data exchange connections, partners to work with, voluntary insurance providers, pet insurance, health, HR systems that we now integrate with, and payroll systems. And our engineering team has worked so hard and so thoughtful to organize these data exchange connections. I'm really proud to announce that we now have over 1,500 production data exchange connections on the Benefitfocus platform. It's a huge number. And of course, as the data exchange has grown, the application stack of the platform has significantly grown. A whole sophisticated layer of data exchange technology has been built, teams that manage the data exchange. And as we sort of walk through the journey over the last 10 or 15 years, you can see the expansion of the Benefitfocus platform. We've added a whole series of power user capabilities, the benefits administrator role, so you can run reports and get access to your information. Compliance, starting with HIPAA, and now the Affordable Care Act is a huge theme. So the technology stack has really been advancing with the industry. And then about 5 or 6 years ago, a big leap forward took place in our minds, and we began to refer to the employee really as a consumer. And we built a marketplace layer with a shopping cart. People are now building private exchanges on the Benefitfocus platform. You see this reporting engine and analytics that was born a few years ago, so we can really study the analytics and get great reports. And then that database layer has really become quite sophisticated. No longer is it a single relational database. We refer to it as the Benefitfocus Data Cloud. It's a whole host of databases. It's unstructured data in our Hadoop infrastructure. It's allowing us to really make the insights at an accelerating pace. A further big leap that happened about 5 years ago was the Benefitfocus API, and we introduced a formal ecosystem. And we said, you know, these data exchange partnerships are fantastic, and we're fine-tuning them, and every time we build one, each new employer can use it. But what we want to do is begin to help these great benefits companies make their products available, communicate them in a new way, sell them, have them purchased by individuals. So how could we weave specific partnerships directly into the user experience, make rating much more simple, compliance administration partnerships, and of course on the data exchange. So our ecosystem has really gotten powerful, and you can see it here from the booths in the expo hall, just a tremendous ecosystem at Benefitfocus. It's grown up. And together, I think in 2016, something significant's happened. I think that we've accomplished together as a community, the engineering team, the customers, the partners. And I think the stack, the platform has really grown up. And now how I would refer to it is really an enterprise benefits management platform. No, I'll take it. It's kind of no longer sufficient to have like a payroll add-on module that's sort of secondary, or a consulting company that's trying to do a bunch of other things and build one of these on the side, maybe individually for each customer. Even the ERP add-on modules are not keeping pace with the level of sophistication and benefits and voluntary programs and the type of wellness programs and things. So the enterprise benefits management platform, I think, has arrived, and I think we represent that in the Benefitfocus customer community. We're really proud of the work that we've done together on the Benefitfocus platform together. And so inside the stack, if you will, inside the enterprise benefits management platform, we kind of organize the capability in three main ways. One is what we refer to as the core functionality. This is absolutely required. You've got to have great communication capability, enrollment, and all the eligibility. A mobile app is supremely important, the administration and compliance. But we don't want to stop there. We want to continue to evolve and extend the platform in a thoughtful, well-designed way. So we've got a series of expanded value products that we offer. Core and advanced analytics, or the benefit store, ACA management reporting. These are a la carte things that you can purchase from Benefitfocus that just naturally extend the value and help you unlock the value of the benefits that you have. And then this idea of the ecosystem. I think if you stopped there, without the ecosystem, you'd be really missing an opportunity to let these new products flow into your communication and the way you manage your benefits of your company. So we've developed, we have an incredible team that manages our ecosystem. We're tightly integrated with more and more HCM systems and payroll systems now in a thoughtful way, compliance and administration, partners that can help provide their services and offerings directly on the Benefitfocus platform. If we were having lunch and I was explaining to you Benefitfocus and what we do, I'd probably pull out a napkin somewhere along the way and draw something like this. I'd say, we've got this core technology that we built over the 10 or 15 years, and inside of it you can enroll in all your benefits, and you got this great communication capability. It's the best in the world. It's enterprise class. It handles incredible volumes. You have 39 million enrollment transactions in 90 days. But we didn't stop there. We add to that this great ability of thoughtful, expanded value products that we build at Benefitfocus. And then we didn't stop there. We continue to extend that in the ecosystem. And when you put all that together, you get back to this idea of the Benefitfocus platform, the enterprise class platform that we built together. So really significant momentum that we have together. And we really appreciate all of the customer community that's helped us move it this far.